Welcome to Globalization Partners International's demo for our Translation Services Connector for Optimizely. GPI's Optimizely connector enables users of Optimizely-based websites to easily initiate translation workflows. The connector is available as a NuGet package, and installing it is quick and easy. Once installed, the connector is available in the Optimizely contextual menu. By using the connector dashboard, users can manage their translation workflows. Optimizely content can be exported easily from the connector dashboard. A package includes the project name, source and target languages, and the pages, blocks, and catalogs. The content selection process is straightforward. The second way is by automated export, where the connector works with your Optimizely workflows. The connector automatically extracts the content of each page or block, securely sends to GPI, and sends an email that your package has been received. The connector eliminates the error-prone need to copy and paste content, as well as manually sending files. Within the dashboard, the new quote appears. With approval, your project starts. Check the project status by clicking Full Status Report. When translations are completed, the status changes to Project Completed, and you receive an email that translations are done. Now, translations can be imported back by clicking Import Translations. The connector automatically creates new language versions for each translated item and is now ready for QA workflows. Each translation project undergoes QA reviews. GPI reviews imported content as complete web pages. GPI tracks feedback and implements it in our translation environment. Final changes are available as a new import. The translations are ready for further reviews, approvals, and publishing by the client and their internal QA teams. Once you've imported content and completed workflows, your translations can be published. Note, the connector can automate any of the manual steps. GPI's connector benefits include high-quality translations, utilizing native-speaking translators and copywriters to create multilingual content. Easy integration. Enterprise-grade connectors are easily installed. Manage multiple language sites. Manage multiple language sites easily. Workflows. Simplifies export-import for translation workflows. Cost of ownership. All of GPI's connectors are installed and supported for free. Manage translation quotes and projects. Our dashboard lets you view status reports, schedules, and project tasks, professional code, and security. The GPI connector is a lightweight web-based application. It integrates seamlessly with Optimizely's WCMS. Support. GPI provides 24/7 support. GPI provides professional website translation services to clients worldwide. Whether your website is a fully enabled e-commerce site or a simple blog, GPI helps you create compelling, cost-effective, and culturally correct content.